Welcome everyone back to another episode. Today I want to share with you the power of manifestation. And this is a very popular theory currently trending. There is a theory that whatever you manifest with your mind, if you're able to hold on to it, you're able to manifest whatever the life that you wanted. And whatever your heart desire, you will achieve that. And I want to share with you how to also have another perspective of manifestation. I can say this is a closer, truer way to what manifestation is. Perhaps manifestation had the wrong view nowadays because it originally come from Buddha Sakyamuni. Buddha Sakyamuni has a famous teaching. He said, the mind is everything. What one think, one will become. What does that mean? And where is manifestation coming from? The trending nowadays is whatever you visualize in your mind, body, and spirit will able to attract you, the law of attraction and all of that, and that you will eventually have it. But that's not what Buddha Sakyamuni is teaching. Buddha Sakyamuni said, the mind is everything. What's one thing, one will become. For example, I want to be the greatest artist in the world. So that's in my mind. So because I hold on to it tight enough, each day I put in a lot of tremendous effort. Day in and day out, training myself, honing my skill. So that's what Buddha meant. The mind is everything. When you have an idea and you want to achieve that idea, if you hold on to it tight enough, your mind and body will develop strength and creativity. And of course, one of the main components is that you need to put tremendous amount of effort in order to reach that. But that's not what manifestation nowadays is. Manifestation nowadays is that what you think, you don't have to do anything. You can just lie on your bed and just start manifesting. No. You can manifest all you want. It will not happen. Then you would say, how come some people, when they do that, it happened for them? Again, Buddha Sakyamuni taught two things for this life. One, effort. The other one, affinity. In order to truly manifest what you want, first you need to identify what you want. And then the second is apply effort. And the other component is that affinity. For example, you want to be a millionaire. Affinity is your past causes. Buddha taught that the cause to have wealthy and riches is through past giving. The more you give, the more you will receive. And that's why when you look at like the life of Bill Gates and Melinda Gates, and you look at them, how come Bill Gates has so much money, right? And there's a lot of people that put a lot of effort, even more effort than Bill Gates, but they don't even make a dime. But if you look at Bill Gates now, even when he had so much money and success, do you know how much he give each year? Billions and billions of dollars. So Buddha Sakyamuni said, the causes to be wealthy is through giving. And that's why Jesus also said the giving need to be pure. Don't let your right hand know what your left hand is doing. So not based on Buddha teaching, it's not about, oh, I want to be wealthy, so I'm going to start giving. That's come from a preconceived idea, and that would not come true. What Buddha meant is that you give without expectation. What if you want to be rich but you have nothing to give? Yes, giving doesn't limitate to material, money. Giving also can be through your strength, through your body. For example, you use your body to assist other people, using your strength to, for example, build bridge or do work to assist in the temple or churches. Or use your body to go around sharing message of the Enlightened Saints. So, in order to have the manifestation come true, first you need to have an idea and what is that you want. The second is the effort, how much effort you put toward that. And the third thing is your affinity allow you to have that success and wealth. If in the past lifetime or in the past you haven't done tremendous gift giving, then perhaps even with tremendous amount of effort, you won't able to actually have that wealth. But don't give up too early. Buddha Sakyamuni also said this life is meaningful. Whatever that you want, you're able to manifest that. And that means that you have a chance to put future causes. For example, you want to walk in the footsteps of Jesus. And you said, I'm not like Jesus. I don't have that affinity, or I don't have that capacity or wisdom. But don't worry, as long as you want to walk in the footsteps of Jesus, you put in the effort. Each day you put in the effort to go in that direction. You manifest by applying effort and planting the causes now, the positive causes, the causes that lead you to learn from Jesus, to apply Jesus' teaching, to practice what Jesus practiced. So that's called the true manifestation. You put in the effort. So whatever you want in this life, it is guaranteed, not just some kind of imagination or fantasizing like the trend about manifestation. There is a story I want to share with you. When Buddha Sakyamuni went into the village, one of the villagers ran toward the Buddha and challenged him. I don't like the way that you teach. Perhaps there is a misconception. You said that everyone can reach Buddhahood, everyone can reach enlightenment through your teaching. How come if that's the case, then everybody in this village would be a Buddha, would be enlightened? But it's not that case. The reality is not true. Buddha Sakyamuni listened to him carefully and said, "My good friend, do you have a piece of paper and a pencil? Would you do me a favor and go through each house in the village and ask every single member what did they want to do and how did they carry themselves through their life? What did they want to be and how did they follow through with that?" And the villager went through every single house, and then at the end of the day, he went to the Buddha Sakyamuni and he said, Buddha, this person said he want to be a very successful farmer, This person want to be a doctor. This person want to be a nurse. This person want to be just a student. This person want that and that and that. And Buddha Sakyamuni said, now you understand. No one want to reach enlightenment. No one to be awakening. That's the reason no one have or try to reach Buddhahood, because they didn't put forth that effort toward that direction. So the bottom line, the enlightened saint like Jesus and Buddha, when they're on this world, they don't teach about the way to wealth or the way to success. They taught us the way to have everlasting life, the way to reach eternal life, the true way of living the ultimate meaning of life. So, if we able to manifest the direction like Jesus and Buddha, not only that you would have wealth beyond your imagination, but you can have anything you can ever desire. Why is that? Because what you think is great on this world, like a wonderful house, car, or money, all of that actually petty cash, all of that are just scraps. Imagine, just look at the life of Buddha Sakyamuni. He is inherited a whole kingdom, the whole world of wealth and money. Do you know what that means? There's even a prophesy saying that if Buddha Sakyamuni, if Prince Siddhartha continue to be king, he would conquer the world. But Siddhartha said, those things eventually come to an end. What's the difference between a beggar and a king? When they pass away, the king leave behind the kingdom. A beggar left behind a stick. So it doesn't matter what you have, what success, wealth, anything, family, you name it. The ultimate manifestation is follow the footstep of the enlightened saint. Just like the devil, Satan, tested Jesus. If you just kneel down, I will give you all of those kingdoms that you see down there. And what did Jesus say? Don't put the Lord to the test, right? So, again, for us, we only focus on this world, so we want material and wealth, but we need to have a wider vision, an extra powerful vision, the vision called the ultimate vision. We need to reach higher level. We need to achieve higher thing, not just material and wealth thing. We need to reach the ultimate thing. The ultimate thing is to go back home, to return to the ultimate heaven, the kingdom of heaven, nirvana, the way in the enlightened saint footstep. That's the ultimate manifestation. If you have that, you would have everything the world ever desire. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this video is meaningful for you. Thank you again. And please subscribe if you haven't, so that it could help to motivate me to create more amazing content. Thank you.